All right, welcome to this GPTDash tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to write effective emails, engaging emails that will help you promote your affiliate products and services. So let's not take any more time. Let's get right to it. We're right here on the dashboard. And what you want to do first, if you already have your product, then this will be easy. If not, let's do that real quick. Let me just find you a product. So I'm on the ClickBank Marketplace. Let's just go with dogs. It should be simple, something easy we can find. And yeah, let's try this one, brain training for dogs. Okay, perfect. So this is our product. So let's go back. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna write an email today. And I'm gonna show you how to write an email really quick using this product. All right, so let's get to it. Go ahead and click on it, and you have 4 options here. You also have an autoresponder series. Stick around because I'm going to show you how that looks also. As of right now, we're going to do a quick promo. So this is it. So real quick, let's go ahead and what is that? Dog training. So the product is, let me just take the website name. All right, so it's brain training for dogs, right? Okay, and let's change that to, all right, the type of product is a dog product, right? And the niche, dog niche. All right, features and benefits. So real quick, and I'm filling this out so you can see exactly how you got to do this. You can go ahead and take the headline, because usually the features and benefits are in the headline, and that lets you know what you can expect the product to do for you. So here we go. Let's just use that. All right, and deadlines and urgency. We'll just say that there's 3 days, 3-day deadline. Okay, maximum length. Now remember, we're writing an email, so we don't need to make it too long. 300 is good. Let's try with 300. Let's see, let's go with max. And anything else to include. So you're going to use this. This is going to be something you're going to use to actually help you pull more information from the website. So just use this. Let's say website to pull more information. There we go. All right, perfect. And I need to put the website, right? That would help. All right. All right, let's generate email. And while you're waiting, it usually takes about this time, but it's not very long at all. I think you're going to be surprised of how good the email comes back to us. All right, perfect. So quick options. You can modify this if you like. You can download the text or just copy and paste it wherever you want. So here it is. Now, mind you, this is a quick promo email. Now, you can go ahead and read through this. I'm just going to pause it real quick. All right, and pretty much this is a decent email that would sell this product. Now, the one thing I did leave off is your affiliate link, which you will put somewhere towards the bottom, or highlight one of these and put your affiliate link in. But there you go. There's a quick email. All right. Now, as promised, I said I will show you how this looks with the autoresponder series. So let's do the same thing. Let's say, what did the customer sign up for? We'll just say they just came through. We got an ebook. Yes. All right. We can go with AWeber. It's fine. And let me see. Topic of the email series. Let's say we're just gonna say what let me see. So topic of email series. Let's just use the brain training. We can use that again. Product service to promote. Now, here's something that I found out, and I'm telling you, so you can go ahead and use this little. So here's a little technique that I found. With this, you can go ahead and put the name of the product, and then just put the website also, right? Now, this right here will be your affiliate link. You could add it in there, but I would say just hold off, because maybe you want to highlight different words and make that your clickable affiliate link. All right. And then it's telling you no more than 5. So we'll just go with we're going to go with 5. All right. And then we'll say from Max. All right. And let's just generate. Oh, so it says we need a link. Okay, fine. So why don't we just use .google.com. You put your affiliate link in later, but you get it. You can put it there. All right, I'm going to pause this real quick. Give it a second, and I'll come right back. So I changed my mind. I'm not going to pause. I'm going to let you see how long it actually takes to go through and give you 5 emails. Voila. There we go. Okay, you got email 1. Welcome to the brain training for dogs community. Where's email 2? Email 2, the benefits of brain training for dogs. Email 3, how to get started with brain training. Number 4, the power of positive reinforcement. And where's number 5? The journey continues. Look at that. Now, here you go, as promised. And it didn't take long at all. So this is going to help you tremendously in writing any type of emails. All right. I hope this helps. Talk to you soon.